Hi, welcome to Friday's Fast Facts with Fugi. Today we're going to talk about the reticulated python. And I'm going to get Brutus out here. And Brutus, first of all, you have to know about snakes. Snakes have no eyelids at all. So I don't know if Brutus is awake or if he's sleeping. He has got no eyelids. They don't close their eyes. So you always go in there with these big guys, and he's going to be about 11, 12 feet now. You always give him a little tickle. Hey, I'm here. Please don't bite me. Okay, now he knows. Now his eyes are moving. Now if he bites me, don't scream in the audience because it's already going to hurt enough. Okay, now Brutus is a brute. That's why we call him Brutus. He's a reticulated python, the longest, most powerful snakes in the world. Believe it or not, when Brutus gets to his full size, he will reach from one side of this room to the other side. The longest on record is 32.5 feet long and 350 pounds. And these guys are solid muscle. Okay, we'd find these in Southeast Asia, Borneo, Philippines, Indonesia. So they're certainly not indigenous to the United States. Anyway, this guy here, most of these snakes in the room are rescue. This guy I happen to buy because I have a fascination. Now, if he starts squeezing and he goes around my neck like this, I gotta watch out because these guys are powerful. Even a snake this size, you guys might think is big. This is not big. He's 11, 12 feet, super powerful. This will get to be 30 feet long, 350 pounds max. Still not the biggest. The heaviest snake would be the anaconda, and they get up to 400 pounds. But by far and away, this guy is the longest. You have to be careful. Okay, we've heard of incidences where people have been killed by these things, and actually maybe a week or two ago in Indonesia, some lady went out to collect rubber on the rubber plantation, and unfortunately, she was eaten by a reticulated python. This is the only snake in the world that will eat a human being. Okay, super powerful. Okay, we got to be careful getting around the neck. He likes to go out for walks. But anyway, lots of cool things with this snake. Okay, right now this guy will eat deer, he'll eat pigs, any kind of large mammal. They don't particularly like birds, although they will take them occasionally. But soon enough, I'll have to feed this guy larger and larger animals. And a snake like this, if they were to eat a deer or a pig, they can literally not eat again for a year to a year and a half. So very, very interesting. Say hi, Brutus. And for Fridays with Fast Facts with Fugi, we'll see you next week.